Hello everyone. Do you need to clone your hard drive or your Windows OS but don't know which tool to use? Are you tired of slow cloning processes? Look no further because in this video, we'll talk about how to use one of the fastest disk cloning tools from Easy UEFI to clone your hard drive. It's really fast, and I'm excited to show you how it's done. Before we begin, let me clarify that this tutorial is for educational purposes only. I'm not affiliated with Easy UEFI in any way, and I'm simply sharing my experience and knowledge with you. Also, please remember to back up all of your important files and data before attempting any kind of drive upgrade. This will ensure that you don't lose any important data in the process. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. Recently, I had the opportunity to upgrade the hard drive on an old computer that was using NVMe Team Group MP33 512GB. The old hard drive was a bit slow with only a transfer rate of 1700 megabytes, so we decided to clone it to a faster hard drive, the NVMe Western Digital Blue SN570 1TB with a transfer rate of 3500 megabytes. By cloning it to a new hard drive, the Windows operating system and applications will work faster, and the old NVMe will be reused as a data disk. The cloning process is straightforward. First, connect the Western Digital Blue hard drive to the computer and boot it up with the old hard drive. Then, download and install the free Hasleo Backup Suite free version 3.4 from easyuefi.com. The installation process is quick and easy. To begin cloning the disk, open Hasleo Backup Suite, go to Clone, and select Disk Clone. As you can see, this is Team Group and this is Western Digital Blue. In the wizard, select Disk 0 as the source disk, which includes all hidden partitions and the C drive. Next, select Disk 1 as the location to clone to. The wizard will give you the option to clone as MBR, sector by sector, or keep partition layout. For now, we're not going to select any of these options and proceed to the next step. Review the disk layout on the target disk, which will have an unallocated space of 454 GB at the end due to its larger size. And here's the interesting thing about this software. We can change the partition layout right here. To merge the unallocated space with the Windows system drive, we first need to move the NTFS partition to the end of the hard drive. We simply drag the whole partition to the end, and you'll see that the unallocated space is now moved up next to the Windows system drive. Then, we can merge these two partitions by dragging the small arrow of the Windows partition to the far right. The wizard gives us some other settings like disk alignment and sector by sector clone. We're not going to select any of them for now. Press the Proceed button and let Windows Disk Management detect the partitions that were copied over. After a few minutes, the software will copy over the Windows OS system and all hidden partitions. The cloning process takes approximately 2 minutes and 46 seconds. Can you believe it? The Windows system disk, which is 107 GB, was copied in just 2 minutes and 46 seconds during the cloning process. To ensure that the computer boots up with a new hard drive, you'll need to modify the boot order. Begin by accessing the BIOS, then navigate to the boot menu. Change the first boot option to the new hard drive, and save your changes before exiting. By completing these steps, your computer should now boot up with a new hard drive, and you should be able to see that the Windows OS has been migrated to it. The C drive size is now 930 GB. Finally, to ensure that Windows is activated on the new hard drive, go to the search bar and enter Activation Settings. As you can see, Windows 10 is already activated with a digital license. So basically that's all about disk cloning. If you found this video helpful, please support us by clicking on the subscribe button and also see our next video. Thank you for watching.